Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I created this spring slash summer kind of look and I hope you all guys like it, and please don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. So enjoy and God bless. So to start off, I'm using this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. So I'm using it as a primer and I'm dabbing it on the parts of my face where I got lots of pores. I like this primer because it kind of blurs out the pores and makes your skin look smoother. Next, I'm using this Pores No More Luminizer Primer and I'm applying it in the parts of my face where I want to highlight. But if you don't have this kind of luminizer primer, you can use other luminizer brand. I'm just using this luminizer just to give my face a little glow. And for the foundation, I'm using this Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. So using my beauty blender, I'm dabbing it all over my face to even out my skin. I like this foundation because it feels very light and it doesn't feel like you're wearing any foundation at all. And I'm in the shade of 312, which is Golden Door. And it really looks natural on the skin. So if you have oily skin, this foundation is good for you because it's oil free. So now my skin is even. It's time to do my eyebrows, and I'm using the Brow Power by It Cosmetics, and the shade is dark brown. So I'm just filling up those areas where I don't have so much hairs. And if you don't have this pencil, you can use whatever eyebrow pencil you're using. And I don't have much hair in that area, so I'm kind of just like filling it up. So eyebrows are done, so I'm using this eyebrow gel from BH Cosmetics. It's actually color brown, and I'm just putting it on my eyebrows just to keep it stay in place. And using my small flat brush, I'm using a concealer to clean up the edges of my eyebrows. And it can also make your eyebrows more lifted. And I'm taking some of the concealer on my eyelids to use it as an eye primer. So if you don't have an eye primer, don't worry about it because you can always use your concealer. And for the eyeshadow, I'm using this Nude Awakening palette by Wet n Wild, and I grabbed the bronzy shimmery color and tapping it all over my eyelids. And using my blending brush, it's kind of like pointy at the top of the brush, and it's from Eco Tools, and I really like that brush. It's a drugstore brush, so it's very affordable. And I took some of the dark brown shade and I'm putting it in the outer corner of my eye just to smoke it out. So what I was doing, just keep blending that dark brown shade. So all you gotta do is just blend and blend, like never ending blending to make the eyeshadow look smoother. And with that peachy color, I'm putting it on the crease as my transition shade. So just keep blending, and they said blending is the key for a smoother application of your eyeshadow. And I'm using my new palette from Colourpop. It's called Golden State of Mind, and I'm grabbing that bronzy shimmery shade and just tap it all over my eyelid, just to give a little shimmer and kind of like lighten up the eyelid. So using my concealer, I'm putting it under my eyes to brighten it up, and on my forehead, on my nose, and on my chin. So I'm applying the concealer on the parts of my face where I want to lighten up, and it kind of bringing the parts of your face forward. So after blending the concealer, I'm taking back this peachy color eyeshadow that I used earlier, and I'm applying it on my lower eyelids just to mimic the color of my upper eyelids. And I'm taking that vanilla shade to highlight my inner corner of my eyes. And I use that same color to highlight the brow bone as well. And I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me face powder, and I'm dabbing it under my eyes to brighten it up. And actually I use it all over my face to lock in the products. And I do really love this face powder because it makes your skin look flawless. And it's my favorite drugstore face powder. And I'm taking my Maybelline Master Contour palette. It comes with a contour powder, a blush, and a highlighter. So right now I'm contouring my nose and contouring it on the bridge of my nose to give my nose an instant nose lift, if that's how you call it. And right now I'm contouring my cheekbone because I have a round face, so it makes my face look slimmer. And I'm applying it on my temple, on my forehead, really close to the hairline, and on my jaw, because I've been eating pizzas here lately, and you know, we need to hide that double chin right there. And I'm taking my bronzer, Pixie by Petra, and just applying it on my cheekbone and my forehead and the temples, and also under the jawline and my nose. And I'm using the highlighter to highlight my cheekbone. And when you apply your highlighter, make sure you apply it to the highest point of your cheeks. And I like using highlighter because it kind of make my face look glowy and fresh. And I'm also applying that highlighter to my nose, just to highlight my nose and the center of my forehead and my temples and my cupid's bow and on my chin. So it really makes your face really glowy. And right here I'm putting the blush from the contour kit palette I used earlier. I kind of like applying my blush upwards to make my face look lifted. So right now I'm using the eyeliner from Ciate London and just applying it on my waterline. And I'm tight lining my upper waterline. And when you do this, make sure to be very careful so that you won't poke your eye. We don't want that. And I'm using the Kitty Cat matte lipstick, and it's Katy Perry's collaboration with CoverGirl, and I do really love this color. And by the way, I put my false lashes off cam just in case you're wondering. And I'm taking my Wet n Wild lip gloss bronzy shade just to tap it on top of my lips and give it a little shine. And I decided to top off my lips with these Ades New York high definition liquid lipstick just to make my lips more nude. And that is the final look. I do really hope that you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. And y'all take care. Until next time. Bye guys. God bless.